Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Also, feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays and get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. So AMC stock, should a reverse stock split be approved? So let's go ahead and share our opinion on this, guys, and let you guys know exactly what's going on. As I told you guys before, though, for the ones that's already been following, definitely no, guys. Go ahead and put it out there. I do believe shareholders should vote no, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So let's go ahead and take a further look at this right here. So AMC's management is proposing a reverse stock split, which we know should shareholders approve. So reverse stock split is often performed when the company is in distress, guys. Whenever they, looking for a way out, they like, hey, man, we need some money. We need something flowing in. Things is looking scary. We under compliance. We under $1. We trying to get back over it. We trying to stay on the board, right? AMC is nowhere near that dollar threshold to where when companies go into effect or want to do a reverse stock split, they already calling the shots early on as if they know the price could possibly or is going to come down to $1. Usually that's what companies do. Not saying that's what they saying or that's what's about to happen. Just saying we looking at the facts. Usually when companies does do it early when they're trading at the price, they ain't even gonna be thinking about reverse stock split at the price AMC at. It's 4 or 5 times the price to what they have to, do it at. And with that being said, usually when they think about it early on at $3, $4, it's because they already know beforehand that the price is going to go into a downturn towards that $1 barrier. So as we also know, guys, like I was telling you, it's never a good thing to hear reverse stock split. A stock split, on the other hand, is a good thing. A reverse stock split, the company want their share price to appear higher to kind of manipulate, because obviously it ain't gonna look too high, so people still gonna buy in. And some people that don't know what just happened, I think that price just jumped up. So if AMC is trading at $4 and they do a 1 for 10, it'll go to $40. And now it's at $40. Some people that don't know what just happened thinking it just spiked halfway to its all-time high back to 40. Or some just thinking, it ain't no telling what people is thinking that don't know actually what happened or understand reverse stock split and stock splits. But anyways, they want their share price to look higher. Like, they want to look and feel good about themselves. On the other hand, a stock split, they want to look, they want to be humble. They want to look cheaper. Tesla, instead of being 2,000 or a couple thousand, they want to come back down to a couple hundred to have people because some people thinking, they also do it because of psychology. People saying $2,000 a share, most people don't want to buy it. But $200 a share for Tesla, more people will buy it. So anyways, guys, that's the rundown on that. And as we also know, this is going to help the hedge funds and the other side way more than retail investors and the loans, which it won't help you guys any. So just like all the other little things that they try to do just to raise them money, raise them cash, and it didn't help AMC. Go back to APE, for instance. Ever since APE was issued, they raised over $100 million with that. And also, ever since it being out, AMC, soon as it came out, AMC dropped over 60% since. And APE lost over 90% of its worth. 90%. Okay, so like I say, guys, they just doing things to help them. And as you can see, the things that they do say will help shareholders end up harming it even worse. Same thing with this reverse stock split. It'll end up hurting AMC worse than where it's currently at. Right now, they're running out of steam. They're running out of pressure. Pay attention to the numbers. GameStop, AMC, these meme stocks is on the same frequency. They usually be up by the same percentage on the day. They still able to manipulate GameStop and bring it down further because it's at $17. GameStop barely moved today. It went up, but it came down at the end of the day in a not negative and not positive, just sitting. We probably up over half a percentage, right? But AMC, on the other hand, is up over 5%, 4% on the day. Its sympathy play, which is Express, that's been going crazy here and there, right, is up over 4%, 5% on the day as well. But GameStop and those two stocks, AMC and Express, are already down. Express down to the cents. Ain't really too much more for it to go. right? Unless the company, go bankrupt, they get rid of it. Same thing with AMC, not too much further for it to go, right? At $4, $3, $4, not too much room for it to really just drop it for real. Because even if y'all just tank it, 3, 2, 1, like where's it gonna go? It ain't got no much to go. If you tank GameStop, bring down GameStop, it got more room to fall. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 10. They steady shorting and eating off of the downfall. So as we know, guys, that's why they trying everything in their best interest to get shareholders to vote for this reverse stock split so they can reset the table for them. So as we know, to answer the question for the new ones, and obviously the the old family already know, guys, that the reverse stock split should not get approved. But looking at the numbers, the Twitter poll and stuff, is looking like the majority already saying yeah. But like I told you guys before, they probably rigging that up anyway, just like any election or whatnot. They let people think they got power and control, but really you don't really got to say so. Being, a shareholder, they send you out emails and stuff and let you know you got to say so, say what you would like or whatnot, but you'll be wasting your time saying anything because those people are not going to listen to you with only $100, $1,000, $10,000 invested in a company. Now, if you more of a person that got a million, 10%, a couple million, 10 million, 100 million, depending on the size of the company. Because $1 million in Apple, they still ain't give you no say so. So it all depends on the size of the company, right? It's all subjective. So that being said, a more size of a percentage, if you got 10% stake or a nice stake in the company, then they might hear what you got to say and take a little something into consideration. And you got to have, a background of doing good business and knowing business also, and not just having the money, because they still might not listen to you. But anyways, guys, that's just to, sharing my thoughts, letting you guys know what's going on with that. I love you guys. Add me over there on Instagram at the BA Show. Get in VIP. You already know.